Welcome, everyone. Welcome back to MH Alien Tutors. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the terms used in algebraic expressions. We'll be focusing on understanding some key terms used in algebra, including monomials, binomials, and polynomials. But hey, don't worry, we'll make sure it's as fun as solving a math puzzle. So, let's get started. The several parts of an expression connected by plus or minus are called terms of an expression. Thus, in the expression 4x plus 3y, 4x and 3y are called the terms. The terms are separated by plus or minus only. Therefore, 4x is one term and 3y is another term. Let's start with monomials. A monomial is a single-term expression, like 5x or 3y. It's like having one piece of the math puzzle. Or a monomial is an expression consisting of one term like 2x, 5xy, and 30 are all monomial expressions. Now, moving on to binomials, which are two-term expressions, such as 2x plus 3y or 4a minus 7b. It's like having a dynamic duo of math terms. Or binomial is an expression consisting of two terms, like x minus y, 2a plus b, and 5xy plus 3yz are all binomials. And lastly, we have polynomials, expressions with three or more terms, like 3x plus 2xy minus 5 or 4a minus 2b plus 7c. Polynomials are like a math party with lots of terms joining in the fun. Or a polynomial is an expression consisting of several terms, like 5x plus 6y minus 2z are called polynomials. Let's see these terms in action with some examples. Imagine you have 2x plus 3y. This is a binomial expression because it has two terms. It could represent something like the cost of buying 2x apples and 3y oranges. As for polynomials, think of 3x squared plus 2xy minus 5. This could be the area of a rectangle with sides 3x and x plus to y minus 5. Hey, did you know that the word polynomial comes from the Greek words poly meaning many and nomial meaning term? It's like saying many terms in one cool word. And now, here's a math joke for you. Why was the math book sad? Because it had too many problems. Let's dive into some rules and facts. The multiplication of two monomial will also result in the monomial. For example, if we multiply 3xy with 4z, we get 12xyz. How? 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12 and variables like x, y, z are multiplied with each other. When multiplying two monomials with the same variables, then add the power of the variables. For example, the product of a raised to the power of 3 and a raised to the power of 4 is given as a raised to the power of 7. An expression having a single term with a negative exponent cannot be considered as a monomial. That is, a monomial cannot have variables with negative exponents. In below example, x raised to power of minus 6 cannot be considered a monomial due to negative power or exponent. A binomial has only positive exponents and not negative exponents, same like monomial. Well, friends, we have had a blast exploring the terms used in algebraic expressions today. From monomials to polynomials, we've uncovered the secrets of these mathematical marvels. Bye friends, if you have any question regarding this topics or want to learn arithmetic functions like addition, subtraction, division and multiplication of polynomials, you can ask in comments section, only then I will make a video on it. Don't forget to like and